I didn't have that last part on there. It's okay.
They send it to these people in India that have problems with women.
Yeah. Okay, recording.
Cut that part out. That's a little racist. Found it.
There we go.
Okay, so you're gonna want to go for the lower ones, not the upper ones like with the last time. I got this one. There we go. There we go. There we go. Wait, I quit.
The upper part's up now.
Okay. There. Yes.
Well, I think we just broke it, but it's fine.
Yeah. You can see my nice little temps on it.
Hold on, pull it out again.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen.
Yeah.
You can. Yeah, we broke the warranty. We're not giving us another one, that's for sure.
Yep. Well, who cares?
What a jackass. Phone, that's gonna piss me off. Okay, if you hear something click and break, that's normally a good sign. I swear.
Until something else clicks and breaks.
We should have watched that whole video beforehand before attempting this.
Yeah, well, who cares? Because this is fun. Oh, there we go, we got it.
This was
awesome.
a pain in the ass.
Okay, now
Okay.
let's hear what do we got inside here.
We got a lot of hardware.
Looks like a whole lot of junk to me.
Alright, what do you get, drink?
And this concludes part 3.
Well,
We will be back for more.